Police have ordered Zimbabwe People's Revolutionary Army, ZPRA, ex-combatants to vacate a piece of land they occupied last week in Chinhoyi in protest over government's failure to give them back their seized properties. Sanapenda mashoko kubuda panguva ino tiona kuti police anoevicta ZPRA vets. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina munomubuda pamuchenze. The Zimbabwe government in the early 1980s seized numerous properties belonging to ZPRA ex-combatants and ZAPU, then led by the late nationalist and Vice President Joshua Nkomo, alleging that each had discovered arms, caches, participating in Gukurahundi mass killings. According to a ZAPU inventory, the party owns several properties that include the 4-story Magnet House, which houses the Central Intelligence Organization in Bulawayo. ZPRA was the military wing of ZAPU during the armed struggle. President Emmerson Mnangagwa once promised to ensure the properties are returned to the former liberation fighters. Last week, a group of ZPRA veterans camped in Pierreview, a new suburb developed on a property allegedly belonging to Nidram Holdings, a company established by former ZPRA fighters, in protest over failure by government to hand over the properties. The ex-combatants also indicated that they are the rightful owners of both Old Chinhoyi Hotel and Caves Hotel, currently being managed by Zimbabwe Parks and Wildlife Management Authority in Chinhoyi. Kenan Sivanda, a former ZPRA combatant, said police officers acting on the instruction of their superiors threatened to have them arrested if they did not vacate the areas. Domashwa rubuda panguva ino tiona mapurisa achitumiwa to vacate these people eviction notice ichibudiswa pamuchendedzo ZRP. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pena comment section medu tudze mafunguro enyu, so no subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.